Good evening. There's Anushka. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Lovely. Hello. So, welcome again on this beautiful Saturday evening. I recall the last time we had Princess Anushka Ghotpade of Sandur was also a Saturday evening, and we had the best time getting to know her and her wonderful food journey. And just to introduce her to any of the viewers who possibly haven't watched our previous live, Anushka has studied hospitality and management at the Caesar Ritz University in Switzerland, and she's a self-taught baker, and she has wonderful pictures of everything that she bakes on her Instagram profile. And apart from that, off late she's been adding these wonderful IGTV videos where she does recipes. She's done a lovely caramel popcorn that we've tried, and an apple crumble, and animal fries, and coconut laddu, and so many other wonderful things. So she really, according to me, is the next big thing when it comes to baking and all things food on Instagram. So let me just bring her in. And today we are here because we're doing something very special. We are baking cookies live. So we are baking these wonderful cookies, thumbprint cookies that we'll and we're going to jump straight into it. Hi Ami, hello Tarun. Hi Vandita, so nice to have all of you. There's Anushka, how lovely you look.
So
How
do
lovely
you.
you look. Look
Thank
at your
you for having
kitchen.
me
This
again.
is the kitchen. I'm so
This is
glad
my
you
kitchen,
accepted
yeah,
my
it's still
invitation.
like
Oh,
work
how
in progress, but yeah, this is the first time I'm filming in my kitchen. So
wow. So I'm so delighted that I have the privilege of seeing you work out of this kitchen. It's just beautiful,
yeah, I'm a
and
little
it's
bit
all
nervous. Yeah, but I was a
you know,
little nervous,
don't
but I
be.
don't know how it's going to look.
Yeah.
Because mainly when I
It's
work
all
in my kitchen, it's
peaches
just
and
the
pink.
counter. We don't see the
Yeah.
kitchen, but yeah.
Yeah. It's lovely. It's all peaches and pink like you are. As
Yeah.
beautiful.
I mean, I
Beautiful.
genuinely didn't
It's
want it to
beautiful.
be this pink, but then you can't get the pink
Why
out.
not? I think the more the better. Pink is gorgeous. I love pink. So
Yeah.
anyway, the last time we had Anushka, she was telling us about how this kitchen was, the studio kitchen was being renovated and designed for her use, and now it's ready. And before we get chatting, Anushka, how about we bake the cookies, put them in the
Yeah,
oven,
perfect.
and then you can tell us about everything that you're planning to do in the future.
Yeah,
Yes?
perfect.
Okay. Should we
Okay.
start?
So we should start. Okay, but before I have to say that this is the first time I'm doing an Instagram live and showing one of my recipes. So if I make any mistakes, I'm really sorry. And thank you for
Don't
giving me
worry.
this opportunity. But yeah, let's see how this goes.
You're a darling. You're a darling. You'll do great.
Okay, so basically, let's just start with taking a bowl. I just have a bowl.
Yes.
And I will probably list all the ingredients and like the measurements and
Sure.
probably on your
We'll put it
Instagram
back.
as well
Yeah,
as on my
Lovely.
Instagram stories. So I'm
Sure.
starting off. Okay, so these are, we're making jam cookies, like thumbprint cookies. In a little while, you'll know why they're called thumbprint cookies. But if anybody who's grown up eating these, you know they're like these treats your grandmom would make for you or buy for you. So this is super nostalgic. So I thought it would be perfect to make on your channel, because your channel is all about
Absolutely.
like food and nostalgia and
Yeah.
stuff like that. So I'm starting off with whole wheat flour instead of
Oh,
regular
wow.
flour. So I think it becomes a little
Oh.
more accessible for you to give your kids and everybody else, and just a little less guilt in eating. So
Yeah.
whole wheat flour
Little
and
less.
baking powder going into the bowl. And then I'm putting about 100 grams, which is half a cup of sugar.
Okay. And is this caster sugar or is this regular
it's
sugar?
caster sugar. You can, of course, use brown sugar as well. It'll give you a nice caramelized effect. But I like working with brown sugar because it's more accessible and everybody can make it. I have butter, which is room temperature butter. So it's not
Okay.
straight out of the fridge. I've just kept it out for about an hour at room temperature. It's not melted, but
Lovely.
it's just something that we can work with. So that, fingers already sticky, but okay, we're going to work with this. So I'm putting about 150 grams of butter in.
Lovely.
So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks right now. It doesn't look like much.
Wow. Okay.
Maybe I can
Super.
just bring it down a little bit so you guys can
Sure,
see.
sure, sure.
Is
Yeah,
that okay?
lovely. That's a
Is this
great
better?
angle. We can, yeah.
Um,
Though we miss seeing your beautiful face, and there's so many people that are joining in. And
Yes.
every time I have Anushka, the last time I had you on Instagram, my Instagram inbox was flooded with compliments, and everyone was like, "Oh, she's so sweet, she's so beautiful." And when I put out this sort of, I put out the post that we're baking together. My inbox was flooded once again with, "Oh, she's so pretty, she's so cute." I said, "She's also
that is
very
so
talented."
sweet.
So look at the number of people, huh? They're all saying hello. So thank you everyone for joining us. And yes, she is lovely. Indeed, Nikim, she is lovely. Okay, so we go
Hi
back
to all
to
my
our
friends who
cookies,
joined
and
in.
then
Thank you.
we chat later.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll
Okay, so
work
I'm
now.
just mixing this. I don't want to over mix this dough. And this is also
Mm-hmm.
great for you to, bake with like little kids at home
Kids.
because it
Ah.
requires very little effort.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just mixing this till it comes together.
Yes.
So because the butter is soft, it's kind of getting the dough together. And now I'm using this ingredient which I know because I've been on Instagram for a little while and making my reels and stuff. And I know a lot of people these days prefer eggless options, but this I wanted to stick to like a recipe that I've been baking for a really long time, so I didn't want to change it. But I will post like an eggless version for whoever is interested. Maybe I can put an eggless version as well. So 1 egg going in.
Wow. Coconut laddu recipe is awesome. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Please post or like send me the stuff that you guys have tried from my recipes because like I was
How
literally
sweet.
so
Yes,
nervous.
we should all send you pictures.
Yes,
I'm guilty of
please.
not having done that.
If you've tried
And
any
we
of
have
my recipes,
Rani Sahib Jastan. Good evening. She's saying, hello, Anushka. Lots of ladies from Jastan are watching you today. How fabulous is that? Thank you so much. It's so exciting.
Okay, so at this point, I'm going to do something that I probably shouldn't be doing on a live, but I'm going to just use my hands because traditionally you just use your hands for this recipe.
Yes, yes.
And again, I'll show you the recipe. I'm just kneading it. It's like kneading your atta dough, basically, like when you're making chapatis or you're making bread. It's basically the same thing. So,
yes,
okay,
yes.
I can see so many people saying I tried the laddus and turned out. Oh my God, I'm so glad.
So I haven't done the laddus, so I'm going to do the laddus. And for everybody who's, complimenting all the recipes Anushka is putting out, on behalf of her, it would be really nice if you could send her pictures of when you try them out. I think that'd be really sweet. Then you can start posting them also. And I'll do the same too. I'm guilty of not having taken a picture. We tried the caramel popcorn and I didn't get a picture. So yeah. Harsh Vijay
I think the
Singh
whole
ji.
concept
Thank
of
you.
reels is that, I wanted to make simple recipes and I started sharing my recipes when we were still in lockdown. So I didn't want to use a lot of fancy stuff. So even though caramel popcorn is something that we probably don't eat every day, it's something that we can make from the ingredients that are already available in your pantry. So, something fun, but still something that is accessible to like everybody and,
everyone.
Yeah.
How
okay, so I'm
sweet.
just kneading it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm just kneading it till it comes together.
Yes.
But how have you been? How's
tried the chili garlic toast? That's excellent.
I know that's really popular. So please send me pictures, you guys, because everyone's telling me they've tried it, but I'd love to see some pictures of it.
Yeah. We'll send you pictures. We'll do a campaign, send Anushka pictures.
Yes.
So that she's encouraged to post more recipes, feedback is always so encouraging for all of us. So
yeah, I have some really cool recipes coming in the next few weeks. After we kind of went into the second lockdown, somehow I didn't feel like sharing as much, like, because with everything that was happening, I somehow just didn't have the heart, but I have a lot of recipes that, are there, which I want to share, and yeah.
Wow. How sweet.
Okay.
I have tried almost all your recipes. That
Oh
is
my
Sanika
God.
Divekar. Wow, how
That
sweet.
that makes me so happy. Like literally,
So
that
sweet.
makes me so happy.
And Ajinkya's tried the caramel popcorn also. So it's just great.
Wow.
So it's so nice when when you use a home chef's recipes who self-taught, it's just so much more believable, relatable,
Right.
So even though, right now I have, the freedom of referring to you as a home chef. Soon you'll be a celebrity chef. See,
Oh,
there's somebody asking for a YouTube link. So we're going to talk about all that soon.
wow.
We'll
Okay.
just get
Okay.
the cookies in the oven and then we'll
Yes.
ask Anushka what her future plans are. So she's doing some really exciting
Okay.
things. So has it come together?
Yes. So it's come
Gorgeous.
together in like it
Mm.
doesn't have to be kneaded too much. You just need to get everything
Hmm.
together. That's it.
Lovely.
And then what I'm gonna
Okay.
do is I just have a teaspoon measure, and
Mm-hmm.
this is something that I do, but you don't have to do.
Okay.
And I
I
kind
think it
of
just gets it to be uniform, no? If you use this
exactly,
measure. Yeah,
exactly, and I
okay.
feel they all
I'll
look
tell
the
you a
same.
funny story
Yeah.
once you're done.
Okay. So I
Yeah,
just
this is
take
very
like one
sweet.
spoon, right? And then I
Hmm.
roll them up
Hmm.
into almost
Okay.
like these balls. They don't have to be perfect because we're anyway gonna be, yeah. I don't even know what it's called, like printing them, thumb printing them. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Make
so just
make a
make
nice
them up
indent.
like this. So I will make a
Mm-hmm.
few.
Yeah.
Um, but yeah, like you said, I like using the spoon because it gives me an even measure, and I feel they all
Yes.
kind of bake the same if they're the same size.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
if you just
The
take
baking time. Yes.
exactly. So if
Yes.
some are big,
Yes.
some are small, and some are,
Mm.
especially these
Yeah.
cookies don't take that much time to bake. They take about 10 minutes,
In the
right?
oven. Yes.
So you
Yes.
want them to be uniform. So, and this recipe that I'm sharing makes about 2.5 dozen cookies, maybe.
Okay. So that's
So
24
that's
plus 6,
quite a bit.
30.
So it's
30
great to
cookies. Yeah,
even,
quite a bit.
yeah. So if you're going, I mean, if we're allowed to go to anybody's house, it's great to give as
You
a
can take
gift.
this as a.
And exactly. And we
Oh,
can
it's so
probably
sweet.
just talk more about like the different toppings that we can use. Right now, I'm using jam, but we can use
Yes.
different like Nutella, peanut butter. You can even just make chocolate chips. You can bake them just as they are as well.
Just a thing. Wow, so somebody's requesting a kitchen tour
I
once the
will do
cookies
that.
are in here. So sweet.
I
Okay.
will do that. In fact, that's
Street
something
spot.
that I'm
How
working
sweet.
on.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll probably catch that soon.
Oh, wow. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So
But
this is nice.
I
I
will show
remember.
you guys a sneak peek.
Yeah. I love the geese in the background. I love everything I see mostly.
So
And then you have a little bell on the counter. It's
yeah,
very, very
once I
sweet.
get up to put them in the oven, you'll see my tiles and all
I'll
of
see
that.
more. Oh,
Oh,
lovely.
someone's from
So we
Nepal,
have
live from Nepal. Hi.
Pallavi Shah. Yes, I think even Mrs. Rana has logged in and she's
Wow.
watching possibly. So that's amazing. Isn't that nice? So we have global viewership of your life.
But I have to say, it's quite daunting when you have like a private page and then you share your recipes. It's a different thing. But then when you go public, it's a different
Mm-hmm.
thing. But
Uh-huh.
people have been so sweet and
Yes.
texting me and saying they tried my recipes and asking for more.
And
It's been really great. So thank you.
yeah, yes, yes. It's so sweet.
Hi
No,
from
you're just so
Ahmedabad.
wonderful and you're a pleasure to watch. So
Thank
we
you.
know why they love you. Yes, from Ahmedabad. Hello, Anushka. Another
Wow.
Anushka. That's nice.
Okay, so I have just basically lined these cookies up like
Sure.
this, right?
Okay.
So I'm just making 6 now, but like I said, this recipe makes about half a dozen.
Makes about 30.
And what
Lovely,
I'm
lovely.
doing, I'm probably going to do this. What I'm
Yes,
doing right
yes.
now is like basically just making a indent kind of a thing, like just
Wow.
like that. So we can fill the filling
Uh-huh.
here, right? That's it.
Okay. Mhm. Great.
Like
Lovely.
I have dough
And
all over.
and what jam are we filling in today?
So I actually like using homemade jam. 'Cause a
Wow.
lot of people do tend to make homemade jam, like especially when it's strawberry season and stuff like that. And I kind of prefer using whatever jam that's available. But right now, somebody gifted us this jam, which is one of my favorite jams. So
From
it's
France. This is French.
yes, and this is like a little more expensive than most of the jams that we get in the market. This is again like a gift. Otherwise, I won't really go out and buy expensive jams. Because jam's jam,
Yeah, no.
like homemade.
Yeah, no, but I remember the last time I was in Paris, I bought a lot of them because I love the bottle that they come in, and I love the checked
You
red
can
and
use
white
them again,
lid.
yeah.
So I use them again and I refill them, and they make me very happy. So yeah, how sweet. Okay, and show us when you're
This is
putting the
just-
jam in because
Yeah. And this is just strawberry jam. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking about half a teaspoon of jam per cookie because they're not very big. And kind of just filling it in right at the center. Right?
Okay.
So it doesn't matter if it comes out. You can always kind of correct it once they come out of the oven.
Okay.
So right in between, I'm going to be putting the jam.
Wow. So we have Naina Ji, who's from Rajkot. Hello, Naina. We have R.T, who says Anushka is so charming. Absolutely, she is, isn't she? And I'm just gonna So if any of you have any requests, any questions for Anushka, you can put them in now. And once we put the cookies into the oven, we'll ask her all the questions. I have some. I blackberry jam.
That's a really
chocolate cookies and sweet food. Oh, nice. Jam is such a wonderful thing. I love jam. I have such a problem with. I have such a sweet tooth. I love jam. It makes me very happy. Jam makes me very happy. And my favorite is pineapple jam. And very few brands do a good version.
I have never tried a pineapple jam.
You haven't? I should find some and send you some.
Yes,
I will actually.
So
lovely. Look at that.
If you can see.
King of beauty.
And they will spread a little bit, so I've just kept a little bit of.
Yes, so you have to space them out. Okay. Lovely. So are we ready to pop them in the oven, Anushka? Yeah?
Yes, I'm going to put them in the oven and I'll be back in like 3 seconds.
Okay. How sweet. Okay, so I wanted you to finish before I told you my funny story. So I remember the first time I baked this, this wasn't anything I grew up eating, but I saw pictures, I think in some, I think we used to get something called Good Housekeeping, but it was a UK edition. I think my mother had a few old ones and I saw these cookies. They had a whole platter of cookies for Christmas time, and some I had tried, but these thumbprint ones I hadn't ever tried, and they looked so nice, and there was a recipe and everything. It's a very basic recipe. I thought, I can pull this off. I must have been like 16 or something. So I did it and everything went okay, but nobody instructed me to keep a gap between the cookies. You know how that is so important? Yeah, you made it sound so easy with the teaspoon scoop. Everything, just is needed for it to be a success. So I baked the cookies. It was just like one big whoosh. It had all baked and melted because of the butter, and it was like one giant continent, and it was so disappointing. And then of course after that I realized, and then a few people said that you should even put it in the fridge for some time for it to harden. So that it holds shape, and how much jam to fill in. But you did this so effortlessly. So that's the thing. When you watch someone do it once, it's just so much nicer and better than reading something out of a long form or from a book or something like that. Even that was a great recipe.
Look effortless. I'm a clumsy person. I'm a klutz. So even generally I'm dropping things, and most of the time I'm making something and I've spent 12 hours making it or something. And then I bring it out and then I drop it.
Sure. No, but so many trials and errors and so much effort that goes in to arrive at this one recipe that, that you're confident of then putting out into the world, which
Yeah.
must be true for all your recipes, which is why they
Yeah.
turn out so great, isn't
Thank
it?
you.
So
Yeah.
that's lovely. So tell us, any memories associated with baking these cookies? Do you remember the
Um,
first time you
so
baked them?
again, like for me, whenever I make cookies, I always think of
Mm-hmm.
both my grandmothers actually. They
Mm-hmm.
always kind of wanted to make something that the kids could make also, right? So
Sure.
then like one person would be like measuring things, one person would be kneading it, one person
How
would be
sweet.
adding colors and stuff like that. So I
Mm-hmm.
remember these cookies. I remember my grandmom used to make naan khatais, which is like a family
Uh-huh.
recipe, which I have
Wow.
finally gotten down to making them the way my grandma
Wow.
used
So
to make.
is that going to be up on IGTV soon?
Hopefully soon, but
Hopefully.
I'm waiting for
Okay.
a special occasion because that recipe means the
Right.
world to me. It's
To
probably the
you.
reason I kind of got into baking.
Got into baking. Ah, so
But
sweet.
yeah, so that and then chocolate crinkle cookies, which are again super simple. Maybe that's definitely
Mm-hmm.
going to be on my reels soon.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so many memories baking with both my grandmothers, one in Sandur, one in Ahmedabad, then
Mm-hmm.
just doing it like with all my cousins and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Wow. Yeah, so that's why I think you love baking because it takes you back to your happy times in your childhood and it's
right.
really, really such a delight. So, how has it been the last lockdown? I know it's been really difficult for a lot of us, with the
Yeah,
second wave, things got really, you know, I didn't feel like posting too much, and a lot of people, I think,
yeah,
did not feel like. So, irrespective, I'm sure you were still cooking and baking.
yeah.
So, any experiments that turned out great in that time period, or anything you chanced upon, any old favorites that were rediscovered?
Well, I feel like somebody's just asked me like, what's my favorite dessert? It has to be chocolate cake. I mean, I die for a good chocolate cake. Um, but I feel the previous lockdown, because everything was so uncertain and we didn't know what was happening, we'd kind of just gotten into quarantine and we had to just spend all this time at
Mm-hmm.
home. I did do a lot of
Mm-hmm.
baking last year, so I
Mm-hmm.
experimented on everything. Like all the reels that are coming out right
Wow.
now are stuff that I
Up
made
from
last year
them.
during the last lockdown. um,
Wow.
yeah, so but this time I think it was a little different. Things had gone really bad. So, I think like we were
Yeah.
just trying to do our best and stay positive
Hmm.
and somehow just,
Hmm.
didn't feel like.
I know.
At the same time, I'm also somebody who kind of finds comfort in seeing, like recipes online. Like if I see YouTube, like
Yes.
I can spend hours watching recipes on YouTube, right? So it gives me comfort. So at the same time, like I
Yes.
knew like there were a lot of people that like, why did you stop posting?
Hmm.
You should put more reels out. We really
Mm-hmm.
genuinely like the stuff that you put out and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But
How
I mean,
sweet.
it's gonna take some time. But I'm like I said, I have a lot of reels ready. So watch out
Wow.
for that
And
space.
we have some comments that we missed. I love Anika. I really want to see her. Anika is your niece? Is that your
Anika's
little
my
niece?
niece. Who has said this? Where
Oh,
is Anika?
sweet.
Annika is probably it's
This is
5:30, so it's about
Uditiwa. Uditiwa. Okay, we have Shrey Ghosh. This is what I want to be eating right now.
Shreya. Hi
Anushka
Shreya.
ma'am's
We'll
recipes
send
are to
some
die
over.
for. Pallavi Shah, so unique. That is so sweet. And oh God, sometimes my comments just act funny. And oh, so sweet. And everybody sending you hearts. What is your favorite dessert? Did you
I
answer that?
chocolate cake. Yeah, I did chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. And what is your favorite Indian dessert?
My favorite Indian dessert.
Mm-hmm.
So hard. Any kind of halwa. I love gajar halwa. I love uh, atta halwa. I love halwas. I also love
How
gulab
so
jamun. I
sweet.
like all Indian sweets. I like sweet.
How sweet.
I'm like
And
a person. Don't give me food. Give me dessert. I'm fine.
and Pallavi Shah, what is the best book of ma'am? Okay, so I think she means to ask, what is your favorite book? Do you
Favorite
have a
book?
favorite book? Yes.
Wow. I have so many. Like, I have so many cookbooks that I've been collecting over the years. I have
Yeah.
pretty
So,
much 100 cookbooks. In fact, these shelves were made for the cookbook. So once I get everything done, it will be covered with that.
Wow.
But like, yeah, I love this American chef called Dory Greenspan, who worked with Julia Child a lot. And she used, whenever Julia Child used to test her recipes, she used to be one of the people who was testing, and then I think she co-wrote a book as well. So she's one of my ideas.
Wow.
All her dessert books are amazing. Dory Greenspan. I hope I
Wow,
got
that's lovely. Lovely. So tell me, I know you have plans for YouTube, and you definitely have plans for the studio kitchen. So tell us if you don't mind telling us what those plans are.
I mean, I like I said, this thing was so impromptu, right? Like a lot of people, like I would I would make something and put pictures up on Instagram, and they're like, "How did you make it?" And I'm like, "Listen, there are a lot of people who actually want to know how I made this, and that's how I made it." And for the longest time, it was just for people that I kind of knew, my family and friends, and then I kind of changed it to a public account, and then so I'm just improvising. It's not like I have like a grand scheme of things where I want to end up on like YouTube or certain things, but it's just I'm improvising, and people have been really sweet. So yeah.
Your favorite dish to cook or bake? That's chitpat.
Chitpat is my cousin. Hi,
Oh,
Chitpat.
okay,
She's in
that's
Vienna.
chitpat.
She's in Vienna. So shout
Wow,
out.
imagine all the desserts she's going to be eating, no? Oh.
Favorite dish to cook or bake? Probably brownies. I love making
Brownies.
It's something that makes people happy. Like no matter who comes in, and I'm like, I'm making brownies, they're like, okay.
How sweet.
Yeah.
And so there's a request for you to post a pizza recipe.
Pizza. Oh, wow. I actually have a really nice pizza recipe. That's a great idea. Thank you.
Oh, nice. So what is the content? Give us a sneak peek. What's in the works right now? What is in the pipeline?
Well, I feel like, okay, I'll tell you what I'm working on. So as somebody who kind of got into baking very early in my life, and then kind of knew that I wanted to do something with baking, I kind of did not get into Indian cooking. And like somebody said, somebody asked, what's my favorite Indian dessert? Like literally everything. So now I feel, now that I'm at home and I have such great cooks at home, especially my father, I have been learning Indian food, So I have actually, without knowing, shot a lot of Indian food reels, but like the fun stuff that people like you and me would want to make and eat. And
like what? Tell us like what?
Reels are for 30 seconds, so I can't make one complicated recipe. It has to be something simple that everyone can make.
Quick. Yeah. Nice.
So the little secret that I would tell is that I'm working on a lot of
Indian food.
Modern
Indian food. Quick. Nice. So I think that's your aunt, Uma Devi ji, who's saying send some to Gwalior.
Yep.
And we have Medha Kulkarni. Yes, this conversation is posted under my IGTV. You can view it later. Yes, you can view it on my IGTV.
Posted on my profile as well, the ingredients,
absolutely.
Stuff, so you
absolutely. In fact, what I'll do is I'll get this recorded and we'll put it up on YouTube also.
Okay, perfect.
So we have Sajid Rizwan. Is there any better flavor than salted caramel? Is there?
No, he knows.
No.
Okay,
somebody who knows.
Is like it's everything.
The
Like
best.
caramel itself is the most exquisite like flavor, and then you add salt to it, and it's just
Yes, little bit of sea salt. No, it's just gorgeous. So Chitpat, now I know how to say it the right way, is kitchen tour.
Chitpat.
I love the Nanima project. Thank you, Dhriti, Saharan. Thank you. It's people like you and Anushka that make this possible. So.
No, but this is like a perfect time for me to ask you. I mean, I love the name, and I kind of get that most of the food stuff that you post is very nostalgic, something that, probably we grew up on. So how did you come about that page and this name, and what was your idea behind, most of the things?
That's such a sweet question. So this was a lockdown. People made babies in the lockdown. I already had my hands full with one, so this is my second baby. So this was in the first lockdown, I think, and we were just going through. My mother, I'm lucky, she lives very close to me.
Okay.
We were looking through. She'd kept some of my first paintings and report cards and stuff like that. So she has
Okay.
this suit. It's like a briefcase. Back in the day, like my dad's a
Right.
doctor, so
Yeah.
you have a
Yeah.
briefcase and go to the hospital. So anyway, one of those old briefcases is filled with like stuff like this. And I chanced upon this diary that my grandmother started writing in. She was also married to somebody, an officer in the Indian Army. My grandfather also served.
Okay.
Because of that, they had a lot of continental influence in the way they dined. So often she would need to, since this was pre-partition and just after partition, they also entertained a lot of British officers. So,
Yeah.
even though they didn't eat egg and all at home themselves, they were expected to. You had to pick up a few continental dishes and stuff like that, which is why I think she felt the need to learn. So she'd take down these recipes, then she passed it on to my mother, and my mother also took down a lot of, like mousse and stuff like that was very unheard of. And you have to understand there's no internet in the
Yeah, of
80s when my
course.
mother got
Yeah.
married. So what you gonna do? So I found that lovely recipe diary, and it was so cute, and it had cutouts from Femina and international magazines and stuff like that. So I just thought that this is great, and I enjoy real food as opposed to almond flour and soy milk. And I think if you're eating cookies, you eat butter and maida and everything, no problem. So
Yeah.
that's just my philosophy. I derive a lot of comfort and joy from food and feeding the people that I love. And I think in the lockdown, it was so depressing that I wanted to give people a reason to smile and go back to those memories of love. And I think nobody loves you like a grandmother and a mother.
Yeah,
Nobody,
for sure.
nobody else. There's no love like that. So that's why the Nanima project, and we started it in May. That's when my mother and my grandmother were born. My
Oh,
grandmother
wow.
even passed away in May. So it all just came together and the stars aligned, and here we are. So
That's
yeah,
amazing.
that's
That's such a great story. I mean, I kept thinking, I was like, it's so unique, and so much of the
yeah,
food that you post is so like
yes,
relevant to
yes.
your like name and
Mm,
stuff. So I'm like, that's so great.
yeah.
I really wanted to ask
Yeah.
you this question.
So sweet. So I think
The
there's no
cookies are
comfort
ready.
like the comfort of
I'm just
food.
I'm just
Okay,
getting
okay.
the
Pop
cookies.
them out. Pop them out.
So
We'll
I'm just
just
gonna
read
wet
what
myself.
everybody's thinking. Oven mitts. Oh, so cute. Also pink, huh, Anushka?
I
I'm
have
gonna send you a
listen.
cutesy.
I don't normally use these. I have blue ones as
No,
well. So please.
no. Pink is good. Should use only pink. I'm all pink, pink, pink. So Mrunal is saying, I love how candid you are, and so are your reels. Love from Kolhapur. And we have
Wow.
Ajinkya asking you what your favorite ice cream flavor is.
Salted caramel. Definitely.
Salted
And
caramel
chocolate.
for the win. And chocolate. Oh, lovely. See, you're such a sweet, and no, it's not like you're saying something like matcha or some weird complicated flavor like that. So this is so
Chocolate
nice.
chip. You give me a
Chocolate, salted
chocolate chip ice
caramel.
cream and I'll
Yeah,
be your best friend.
absolutely, isn't it? The simple joys are just like all simple
Yeah.
things. Used to come to our islands for hunting. Really? Earlier generation kings of Sandur used to come to our islands for hunting. It's very nice to see, Anushka. Okay. Greetings, love and regard from family Patil here in Germany, from Moth Patil. Nostalgia is a great trip to be on. Absolutely. Manasvi Ghorpade saying, hi, Didi.
Hi,
And
Manasvi.
Chit Chat is saying she loves the chai teapot in the
Teapot.
background. Oh, so cute. Yeah, the sun is really at a weird angle on my face. So anyway,
No,
excuse that. We're here for the
it looks really
cookies.
nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
does it? I don't know. I'm just trying to move my head around. So let's see.
Cookies are out.
Cookies.
I should have actually got
Wow.
a nice plate that I could have
No,
put these
that's
on. But
fine.
I
It's
do
so
actually have something that I can put these on.
yeah.
But I have
Oh,
to
so sweet. You have
quickly
nice
tell you
cake
a
stand.
story about like how I put up my first reel, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the point that I was contemplating, I was like should I actually like put out these reels? And I don't know what I'm
Oh.
doing. So I had actually made quite a few videos, and I was kind of learning how to edit them because, like I said, it just has to be like 30 seconds, right?
30
like
seconds,
on
I know.
Instagram can
Such
be
a
30
challenge.
seconds. So I was even like learning how to edit it and stuff like that. So I'd made quite a few. I'd recorded quite a few, and this coconut laddu was like that was the first one that I put out. It was the coconut laddus, and I made them, and the minute I made them, I dropped them, right? Like I dropped them, like the camera caught it, and I was like, oh my god, what is this? And then I showed it to my dad, and he's like, you've got to put it, because he's like, you see so many people, because he's a huge fan of YouTube and he sees so many videos, and he's like, the fact that you can manage to be what you are in the kitchen, you can be that in front of the camera, like don't be shy about it, like just share it.
Absolutely.
And
that's such good sound advice. I mean, how many times when I recall that, I've been impatient and I just wanted to blend something in the mixer and, it's all splattered all over the walls. And then I just tell my husband, let's sell the house. I don't want to clean it now. So
like
yeah, your disasters
I
really
went
make
to show them to the camera and they just fell off the plate,
So cute. I think it just makes us relate to you better. So that's adorable. So Anandita, love the tiles in the background. Aren't they darling? They're just lovely. And the color pink is amazing. I agree. I'm all about pink.
It took
It's
me
just
a really long time to kind of come to this pink. A friend of mine who has this amazing interior design firm kind of helped me out, and she was really patient with me because I kept saying, no lighter, no darker, and, because I knew that maybe tomorrow we film it, I want it to be fun.
It's very cute. It's very cute. So is this a space that you have as an extension of your house, or do you need to go out?
So this is actually, maybe I can show you a little bit of my view. It's the most amazing view any kitchen can ever have.
Please.
So this was just an extension of our terrace. And so I just kind of closed it and made it into a kitchen. So my parents were very
wow. So you have terrace studio kitchen. What can be better than that?
No,
and everybody can wait outside with
a lot of times.
And everybody to see the view, and everybody from your family can wait outside, on the terrace with the mug of coffee and tea and be like, Anushka, aayegi, so we'll get something so sweet. It's incredible. Wow, how sweet do those look? How lovely.
I've burned my fingers getting them onto the tray, but this is how they look.
How sweet. They're just perfect.
And one of them actually kind of a little bit actually got down to the tray. So the jam is actually caramelized.
Caramelized, I know. It's just super when that happens.
When you're baking at home, I feel like
yes,
get all the
loosen up and enjoy. Yeah, absolutely. The imperfections actually bring so much joy. That looks delightful. Yeah, that looks delightful. Look at that. How sweet. Is it possible for you to share a face mask DIY? Okay. Do you know how to bake in a kadhai or pressure cooker? Okay, Anushka, that's definitely something you should look into. Medha says baking in a pressure cooker. Okay. Or a kadhai. They can do that with sand or something like that. Yeah.
I actually just recently filmed a cookie, like a big, large, giant cookie that's made just in a kadhai. You don't need
wow, so you should.
Nothing.
You should.
So that's coming up soon. That's part of the new series that I'm kind of working on.
And also cakes. They do really well because a lot of people would like to bake, but not everybody has an OTG and stuff like that.
Recipes which are just for that, either on the pan or in the microwave.
Wow.
Or in the pressure cooker.
Wow. So we have that to look forward to.
But thank you for the suggestion. I'm glad that you guys are thinking the way I'm thinking. So I'm glad.
Yeah, the cookies look delicious, don't they? They're perfect. I'm sure they taste so well. Yeah. I'm sure your family is waiting ke cookies kab milengi. So I'll not keep you for very long because I know the joy of biting into a freshly baked cookie.
I have burned
so give us.
I have burned my tongue so many times
Yeah,
to eat something
it's still
because you
just
have
worth it.
all the patience to make the
Uh-huh.
recipe, but when it
Yeah,
comes out of the oven, it's like you
eating.
just
Yeah,
want to.
just want to dive in. So
Yeah.
Ambika ji, your mom is saying reaching out for the cookie. So there's some sneaky hands coming in. So sweet. Okay, so show us the view, Anushka, and then we'll leave you to enjoy your cookies. Yeah,
So
and
this
we'll
is
do a
my
full
view. So
kitchen
this is
tour.
basically
Okay,
my
how
view.
sweet.
Okay,
Your
let me
terrace. Oh, so
take you
lovely.
guys on
Look at
a little
that.
bit.
That is beautiful Bangalore
This
and the
is the
beautiful
Bangalore
weather.
weather. It's not
Yes.
fully ready, but
And all the
this is the
tree
way.
tops
Like
and the green
this is
cover.
basically my view.
So sweet.
And this is
It's
like you
such
said,
an
our terrace.
amazing
So
place.
straight out of the oven, we sit
Okay.
and we can have tea. And I'm gonna try
How
and be a
sweet.
little discreet on like the
Ah,
yeah. So these are the tiles.
how sweet.
So this is how
How
my
sweet.
oven
They're
looks.
lovely. They're lovely. It's
That's
so
my oven.
thoughtfully done. Oh, so sweet.
But yeah.
That is amazing.
Somebody
Such an
actually
amazing.
asked me where Anika was. So I think
Uh-huh.
before we go, I have to kind of
Oh, so sweet.
introduce
And
you to
thank
the
you.
person who's kept us sane through these lockdowns.
How sweet. That's
Anika,
Anika's Instagram debut. Hi, hi, Dolly. Hi, Dolly. How are you, Dolly? Oh, she's so adorable. Hi, Dolly. I like your hairband. Anika. Anika. Oh, so cute.
okay.
Oh, so cute.
Yes.
Oh, so sweet.
Okay, bye.
She's about a year and a half. She
She's
must
gonna
be a
be
year
2
and
in
a half.
August.
Oh, so sweet. So sweet.
So this
She's
is
making her
this is the
Instagram
reason all
debut,
of
is
us
it?
have been sane through this lockdown because you
Because
don't
of
have
her.
much to do, but having somebody as cute as that at home,
So
you don't need
sweet,
anything
so
else.
sweet, so sweet. Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you for
Thank you for having
debuting
me.
your new space on the Nanima project. I wish you tremendous amounts of good luck.
Thank
I mean, I
you.
always tell you this in private, but I'll tell you this here as well, that you have tremendous potential. You have such a beautiful camera presence, and use this gift and spread joy and the love for cooking and baking to as many people as you can. And I hope this space keeps you very busy
Yeah.
and brings you a lot of success. And yeah, lots of love. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
I genuinely want to say thank you. I think there are very few people who kind of reach out like you do, and it means a lot coming from you, and
how
all your
sweet.
like
How sweet.
reviews and all your comments are just the sweetest, and I know that from the heart. We've
Yes.
not actually
Thank you.
ever
Thank
met,
you.
so we've
Yes,
actually
yes,
never
yes.
met,
But
so
we
would
will.
love to. Yes.
Unfortunately, this started as a COVID project, like I said, and I'm paranoid. I have a 4-year-old, so I'm not willing to travel yet.
Yeah.
And I've made such amazing friends by way of the Nanima project that I'm just waiting. As soon as travel restrictions are lifted, I'm gonna come and go and eat with everyone.
Yes,
That's what I'm
please.
gonna do.
Anytime.
Yeah,
You're most welcome.
yeah.
And
Yes,
it was
thank you
so
so
nice
much.
hearing your story.
Thank you.
I genuinely loved
Yes,
the story, and I totally
thank you.
relate to that. Something that came from your grandmother to your mother to you, and like these recipes are like heirloom recipes, right? You just want to kind of
Amazing.
keep
Yes,
them
yes,
close
yes.
and
Yes, and I'll let you go with the promise that you'll come back again,
100%.
in a few weeks, maybe we'll give you a few months, and then we want you
Yes.
back again, and
Yes.
we'll cook
Thank you
something
for
again. Thank
everyone
you so
tuning in.
much.
Yes.
Yes, good evening, and have a lovely weekend, everyone.
Bye.
See you. Bye bye.